Hi everybody, it's Kate Kaltoff and welcome. This is a Stamping to Share video that will show you the March 2022 card kit to go free with a $50 minimum order from my online store using a host code. And I have the host code in the description for you. So if you need to look that up, you are welcome to do that. I'm excited to be here. Thank you so much for all of you that are joining me. It's exciting to see all of your names come across on my iPad here. Good morning, Nisi. Hello, Debbie. Hi, Bonnie. Hello, Philomena. Oh, she's even sharing. That's wonderful. Thank you so much. It is a beautiful, beautiful card kit to go. And I am going to show you some of the things that I'm using on it. So it's 8 cards, 2 of each design. So 4 different designs. And the supplies are fabulous. I mean, I encourage you that if you haven't already started using the brushed brass butterflies, to get them on your next order. They're so cute, especially fluttering around these tulips. And then the flowering fields, 12 by 12 designer series paper is just a no-brainer for spring cards. It's so beautiful. And then I'm using a ribbon that I'm pretty sure will be back in stock soon. So when you get your kits to go, you will get all of these supplies already cut and prepped and ready for you to put your cards together. You will, of course, need the bundle, and I did list a whole bunch of other supplies to help you figure out what you can put on your order. Although for most of us, that's really not a problem, right? Okay, so I'm going to flip the camera down and we're going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to show you what a fun little kit to go this is. So these were some of the items that I was just talking about. I am, of course, going to include the embellishments that you will need to complete your cards. So included in that grouping of embellishments will be the appropriate number of brushed brass butterflies that you will need to complete the cards, just as I have. I also will put pieces of the evening evergreen window pane ribbon into your card kits to go so you can recreate the cards. And then I do include the pieces that you will need to create your cards using the Flowering Fields 12 by 12 designer series paper, which, by the way, is so gorgeous. I'm so excited to share it. I actually kind of wanted to share it sooner, but March seemed like the perfect time to be getting these cards together. So I held off until March. So here's the back side. And we've got some really pretty cloud action going on with this particular panel and then also this particular panel. And then I love this pumpkin pie panel right here. It's one of my faves. And then, of course, I do use an extreme amount of flowers on these cards because it is so pretty to have these backdrops of tulips on the cards. So let's go ahead and get to the cards, shall we? Because I know you're excited and anxious to see them. So I'll put all of this aside. And the very first card in the card kit to go is this one. And, you know, I know that the dies are a little intimidating. I'll show you the bundle soon. But you remember how last week I showed you the daffodil dies and how once you kind of looked them over, they weren't as intimidating as you thought? Well, these, although at first glance they look intimidating, they're actually even easier to use than the daffodil dies. So, of course, I will share that in the videos that I provide for all of the people who are getting this kit to go. So this is the first card. So pretty. Look at how those tulips just wrap around, and then you can see the pretty brushed brass butterflies and the gorgeous paper in the background. Nisi's saying the paper's so gorgeous, and she is so right. It truly is. The second card in this beautiful kit to go is this one here. And again, you may remember that you will get to make 2 of each. And of course, if you don't have that stamp set and you're not interested in getting it, you can still take the setups and using stamps that you already have on hand, create something with your own huge amount of creativity that I know you possess. And so this is the second card. It's a little bit of a fun fold, just really easy. And I'll show you all of that in the tutorials. Here is another card. This is the third one in the kit to go. just thinking of you. And look at those cute butterflies. Oh my God, they are so much fun. And then there's the tulips all over. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. And in Poppy Parade too, just so much fun. And then the final card in the kit to go is this one here. And of course, it's a birthday card, and I have it all wrapped up like a present. The sentiment is all gorgeous like a present. So pretty. And of course, you can see one of those brass butterflies on this card as well. All right, so let me show you the bundle you will need in order to complete the cards as I've shared with you. And it looks like this. Again, it's the Flowering Tulips bundle that will be the featured bundle in my March 2022 card kit to go, which is yours free with a minimum $50 purchase using the host code that I've provided in the description box. So let me go ahead and we will talk a little bit about this. When you use that host code and place a minimum $50 order, you will automatically get a happy stamper token. When you have 10 of them, you get a free stamp set. You will also get paper perks with your card kit to go. I send these out to all of my customers who place orders with me using a host code, so that will be included. If you bump it up to 75, you will also get my customer gift of the month, which in March is the resin stars. I'm excited about this because with graduation coming up, I know it seems like it's a long time away, but it really isn't. It's going to sneak up before we know it. These are going to be awesome on graduation cards. So I wanted as many as my customers as possible to have these in their hands before they started doing their graduation cards. And so that is my customer gift of the month for the month of March. And so you will get that at the $75 level. If you up your order to 100, you will get 2 happy stampers. So that helps you get to your free stamp set even faster. And of course, if you order 150 or more, do not use a code. If you're ordering within the timeline, which this Kit to Go program ends on the 15th, you will automatically get all of those goodies that I shared with you. So let's take one more look at these cards before I close up this video. Here are 2 of them and another. Ooh, I kind of should make my screen a little bigger the way it looks. And then the final one, maybe I'll go like this. Here we go. We'll do it like this. Then everybody could see all the cards at one time. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. So I hope I have a lot of participants in my March 2022 card kit to go. It has truly been a joy creating these card kits to go for you. And everybody that has ever gotten one absolutely loves it. Have a great day, everyone, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.